Good morning, everyone. Myself Gaurav, and I'm here along with my team members from Kaushal team, Southeastern International School. And today we're here to present our project on this Hackathon Code Fest. So our title of the project is Art with Text, and since we have used it with text, we have come in iGojo and we have used simple commands to ensure that it works effectively. Now I want my friend Mosha to explain you more.
So while developing this code, we have encountered some challenges. However, through careful debugging and testing, we were able to identify and correct the error. And this experience has made us to understand of programming concept and improved our analytical thinking skills. And this hackathon has given us a valuable opportunity to apply our knowledge practically and learn from the process. And and my friend Sohan is going to explain more about this project.
So good morning, respected teachers, friends, and all my dear friends. Now I'm gonna explain you about how I made this code. So starting with the bricks. So I gave some value like C or different letters to that edge rectangle. Like I pasted with this setup position and like keep value and draw the pattern. Then when it comes to the three sibling, then I made some actions like left, right, and forward, and the commands like set fill color, set pen color. And here you can see like I made some arcs and etc. When it comes to the middle part, which is like these two boards which is game, like I make that with some arc and the forward action and the middle with a circle with fill color red. And when it comes to the bell is also made with the rope which is tied up. And it is also made by some arcs which is like 180 degrees. And then when it comes to the bell is also made with this arc which is I have given the value, some different values and drawn. And I gave again this side value by using some left right command. And when it comes to the laddu, I made a bowl with a 180 degree and forward, and then some laddus which is circle which will color orange, and I repeated it same times. And when it comes to the leaf, I made it different kind of left right commands and actions to make it. And when it is the banner which is a rectangle which is value is different. And inside it is a text which has given some value and set this position in print. And I pasted that image and like placing the god. And there is a Tia which is I made with the art and some circle and some different art and a small art.
How many images you have placed?
Only for Google, we have only used one of it.
Which one? Devotee. Right. So remaining all your
There is also one animation, ma'am.
Yes.
The event when you click on the bell, it will come down with the y-axis minus and x-axis 0. When it collects with the border, it will again repeat same.
right. So do you think was taking images was easy or making this all the image you created on your own, right? Right? Was that easy or this one?
So ma'am, if we take the image from the Google, it will be very easy, just setting the position and doing the outlines and all. But if you have to do it on your own, it will be very hard because such as we have the shivering, it has many curves and also the Trishul has curves bending. So it will be very hard. But since we managed with our teachers' help and textbooks, we have made it.
So we could see the hard work that you without the images you made it happen very well. But
What is this iGojo?
This IPOS is a scalar-based coding which we learn from the beginning. After that, we go to our advanced level coding.
okay, very good.